Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to create this 3D object as shown in the isometric drawing. There are two slabs with the curves. Both have the radius 30 and the two cylindrical parts. And they have the different dimension as the inner diameter is 20 and outer is 30 here. Inner is 20, outer is 40. And the height of these both slabs are 15 mm. And the distance between this center point and this corner is 40 mm. Here is the different distance. The distance of the center point from this corner is 30 only. Let's create in the Solidworks. Create a new part file. I like to choose the plain white background and choose the right plane here. Go to normal. Take a line command from here. The radius is 30, so this line will be 60 mm. Go up and enter 45. Exit the sketch. This height is 30 plus 15. This is center point of this outer arc. Again take a line command and drag upward to provide a 45 mm distance. Now take a 3-point arc. Choose these points and drag upward until this central line appears. Click OK. Go to feature to extrude this sketch. Provide the 15 mm thickness. OK. The one slab is ready. To add the another slab, go to the top plane. Again repeat the process. Take a line command. Start from here and the distance here is 40 only. In the previous time the distance was 45. This one is 40. Now we are going to mirror these entities. For this you need a center line from here. Sketch a center line. Click this line and click horizontal so that it is parallel to this line. Now mirror entities, we have to select the line and we are going to mirror this line about this center line. Now again take a 3-point arc, select these two lines and drag until the center line appears. Again go to feature and extrude this. Now you can see the outer part is only extruded. This happens because the sketch is not closed. So cancel this. Again go to this sketch normal and complete the sketch. Just simply add a line. Now sketch is closed. Again go to feature and extrude it up to 15 mm. Now both the slabs are ready, each having the 15 mm thickness. Now we are going to create these cylindrical parts in each face. Let's choose this plane first. Go to sketch and take a circle command. If you touch this outer line, you will find the center point here. The diameter is 20 and outer is 30. So take a smart dimension. This one is 20 mm. To create the outer one, you don't have to choose the circle. Just go to offset entities and select this circle. You can change the position of this dimension if it disturbs the drawing. Now outer diameter is 30 mm only, so you have to provide 5 mm only so that The outer becomes 30 radius. Check the dimension. This one is 30. Go to feature and extrude it. The extrude height is again 15. Click OK. So one cylindrical part created. Again repeat this process in this face. Go to sketch. And again go to the curve so that you will find the center point. Now this time the diameter is inner is 20, outer is 40. So dimension it is a 20 mm. Again offset this one. This time you have to provide 10 mm because the outer diameter is 40. Now go to feature and extrude up to 15 mm. Click OK. Now the isometric object is created. You can give any appearance, colors as you want. Let's compare this isometric with 3D object. It looks exactly the same as required. Thank you for your time.